Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Scorpio, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you. Okay. No, I'm not going to take all these cards. Okay. Your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. Okay, let's start the reading for Scorpio. Nine of Pentacles. Okay. So Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Aries with this Emperor card. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius air sign with this Eight of Swords. We have Pentacles in this reading, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Nine of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. We have fire sign also in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Eight of Wands. Okay, so Scorpio, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential. Okay, so let's start the reading for Scorpio. So we have Nine of Pentacles, the Emperor, and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so Scorpio, your person sees you as somebody who is very independent in their life. Okay, they feel about you and they see you as the one who has achieved all the things in life. Okay, you have everything in life in terms of material things, in terms of finances, in terms of stable life. Okay, you have a lot of luxury in your life, plus they see you as someone who is highly independent and highly motivated. Okay, highly self-sufficient. Okay, they feel that you do not want anybody else in their life. Okay. Yes, similarly with this Emperor card, they also see you as an emperor. Okay, they see you as somebody who is a provider. Okay, who does not rely on anybody else. Okay, for their happiness. But they also feel about you, Scorpio, that while you are projecting yourself as a Nine of Pentacles and the Emperor card, you have less emotions. Okay, maybe you are somebody who does not want to show your genuine emotions. Okay, you are somebody who hides your emotions. Okay, you know the text to how hide your emotion. Okay, because as you can see, this lady and this emperor, both of them have everything in life. Okay, they are the provider, they are the independent person. Okay, people rely on them, people believe in them. Okay, they do not depend on anybody else. Okay, but eventually when it comes to emotion, you are someone who does not have, who doesn't have emotions, or maybe you have you are artist in hiding your emotions. Okay, because both of their faces are still okay, there's no emotion on their faces, neither good, neither bad, neither cry or neither happy. Okay, so no emotions. These two cards are not reflecting any emotions. So they feel that you are somebody who is hiding their emotion. Okay, and sorry, with this Wheel of Fortune, your person also feels about you that maybe you have been through a lot in life. Okay, maybe you have seen so many bad times in your life. Now it is your time. Okay, now you have you are blessed with a good time now you are enjoying your good phase of your life, okay. And plus for some of you, I feel that Scorpio, your person feels you as somebody who is like a wish come true for them, okay. You are like wish fulfillment for them, okay. But majorly I feel that they see you as somebody who has done a lot in their life, okay, who has been through a lot of difficulties in their life, okay. Now they feel that now you are taking your own time, now you are enjoying your good time, now it is your time when uh, your good luck is with you, okay, with this wheel of fortune. Okay, Scorpio, those were your partner's energies towards you. Now let's see what you feel about your person. Let's see what are your energies towards them. So we have 8 of swords, 10 of wands, and the magician. Okay, Scorpio, you feel about your person that your person has, you know, so many skills within them. They have so many skills, okay. They know the texts, okay. They know the I mean, you see them as somebody who is a magician when it comes to change, or when it comes to take a step towards somebody else's life, okay. But you feel that they are uh, I mean, their charisma, or their passion is not for them, okay. I mean, whatever ability or whatever qualities they have for the other people, they are not utilizing those capabilities and those abilities to improve their life, okay. They have a lot of things, they have all the techniques, they have all the know and how to be the best version of themselves, but they are not choosing to be the best version of themselves. They can help other people, okay. They can create magic in other people's life, but when it comes to them, they doesn't know how to use their this quality, okay. This is the reason they are feeling stuck in life. This is the reason they are feeling negative in life. They feel that I mean, you feel with this card 8 of swords and 10 of wands that maybe something has happened with them in past, because okay, and that's why they are not able to uh, they do not want to move on from that bad emotion, okay. Or maybe they are choosing to be in this energy, okay, even though they can free themselves very easily with these two cards. These are their karmas, okay, whatever it is, be it good or bad, so they are holding their karmas with them. So and I feel that it's their regrets also. Yeah, I see that it is their regrets. So you feel them, or you see them as somebody who can create magic for someone else, but when it comes to them, they are not doing what they should or what they're supposed to do, okay. So with this 8 of swords, you feel that they are stuck in life, okay. Maybe there is some point, I mean, some point, there is something in life which they do not want to give up on them, okay. They do not want to let go of that emotion, okay. Maybe they are worried about, maybe they are worried about it. Maybe they feel that what other people will think about them, okay, if they are moving out from this 8 of swords energy. But the best thing is that nobody cares, okay. Nobody's watching them, nobody, there is no one to see them. They are totally all alone. Nobody is suffering, they are suffering, okay. Yes, they are all alone. They are suffering into their own negative emotions, okay. They can free themselves, but they are not taking any actions. It feels, I mean, you feel that they have given up on trying to let go of this negative emotion, and that thing is making them depressed. That thing is making them uh, tired most of the time. And these are their it could be their past life karmas, okay. It could be their past life regrets. It could be their energy, which I mean, the holding on energy, okay. So these are their grudges or their karmas or their regrets, I can say, it, okay. So they are very depressed, okay. So those were your energies towards them. The mutual energy of this relationship is Page of Pentacles. I feel that for both of you, both of you wants to start something new in terms of relationship. Okay, they see you as somebody who doesn't have any emotion, okay, or who does not know how to show emotions. Plus you also see them as somebody who is overburdening themselves with their bad memories, okay, with their past life mistakes, or maybe some guilts they have within their heart and mind. Okay, so both of you are stuck somewhere in your life path. Okay, and with this page of pentacle cards, I feel that both of you wants to start something new, okay, in life. Okay, maybe both of you are thinking about new new starting of life, or okay, maybe you want to start your life from the scratch one more time. Okay, maybe this time you guys are going to collaborate with each other. Okay, and maybe it could also happen for some of you that you guys come together and talk to each other and open your heart in front of each other, and you find that yes, this is the person with whom I can share my feelings, I can share my secrets. Okay, with this is the person in front of them I can be myself. Okay, so something is definitely going to start in this reading, oh, in this relationship with this page of pentacles. And future potential of this relationship is the Empress card. So with this Empress card, I feel that, as I said, that both of you are in this process of, in thinking that you want to, or you should start something new in life, be it, okay, be it relationship or something else. I feel that eventually you will come, or you will become, or you will project as like an empress. Okay, both of you, it's not particularly about you, or it's not particularly about them. I feel that both of you are going to collaborate with each other. Okay, both of you are going to give your genuine emotions and care to each other. Okay, both of you are going to uh, give your other person the comfortable space, where you can, share your emotions, or where you can share your thoughts without being the fear of judgment. Okay, and both of you are definitely going to nurture this relationship. Both of you are going to give your 101% in this relationship. That's what I'm feeling with this Empress card. That's your future is holding, Scorpio, with your person. Okay, so that was the reading for Scorpio people. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.